Welcome guys to another video. In this video we are going to look at daily stock market recap for today, June 23rd, and we are going to look at Dow Jones, Nasdaq and S&P 500's indices and couple of stocks that outperformed for the day. So let's get started. So before we get into the charts, these are our website and social media sites. So please check it out when you get a chance. You can find a lot of useful information there, I hope. So let's get into the chart right now. So as you look at it, today's performance, again Nasdaq outperformed closer to 0.75 percentage gain, and Dow Jones put 0.5% gain, and S&P 500 posted a little bit less than that, and the VIX got cooled off a little bit again today with the 2% or 1.26% loss. So we are looking at the weekly settings, weekly chart. So that will give us like a big picture rather than the daily movement that looks a little bit odd. So let's look at this action with the weekly chart, and that indices continues to close above 10,000 levels today as well. So which is a good sign. It is close to 10,131. So which is a good news. It's able to held above that line which it crossed yesterday. And the story with Dow Jones is it again ran into this 200-day moving average line again this week. So far it's not crossed yet, so it's added again, but still it's not good enough to cross that line. So this sucker has to cross this line to the rally keep going. Whatever reason, it's getting stalled for last couple of weeks, because ever since this COVID second wave came to the news, all this the stocks which makes up Dow getting hammered again, like Boeing, banking companies and all. So this sucker has to now clean this 200-day moving average sooner or later, because it cannot stay here for a while. If it is going to be the case, it might run into resistance at this level and kill this rally eventually. Next one is an S&P 500. It looks healthy. It added like a little bit gain today, but the chart look healthy. It's still like hanging well above its 200-day moving average as of today. So let's look at that tracker in the website today, and still we have good number of stocks in open position over 400. Within 400, almost more than 235 stocks are now posting over 5% gain all the way to 550. So there is plenty of stock is now performing well. And here are all the list of stocks categorized by price range, so you can check it out. Depending upon your interest, you can find some good place there. And here is the list of stocks which went up today and went down today. And if you look at the heat map, it's kind of pretty even. So you can see that you can see the same number of green and same number of red. It's not a huge difference here. So let's look at the two stocks outperformed today, LLNW MYOV. Let's take a look at them. So Limelight Network added to the tracker yesterday, I believe, and it posted almost 15% gain since then. So it kind of outperformed today. So it's added to the tracker just because of it's cleared its 50-day moving average support. I think it's posted very healthy gains for the day, and hopefully it can sustain, because these are low price stocks, so they might be very volatile. If you look at the chart, it's pretty much go ups and down. So hopefully it can rally from this point. Let's see. The next one we are going to look at is MYOV. It's added to the tracker on 413, and it's almost posting 100% gain since then. Today it closed around 1990. It was added when it was 1021. So let's look at the sucker's chart. So it's added to the tracker, again the same story. When it cleared the 50-day, 200-day moving average, and it consolidated for a while, then it went up and consolidated for last couple of weeks, and today it posted rock solid gains. So the one-liner is like leading growth stocks continue to edge up as indices had another round of gains for the day. Because if you look at our 25 top stocks, most of them added gains. Indices also, I don't know, a little bit gains today. So that is the story. Things looks healthy as of today. And the one interesting thing I'm noticing is that a lot of gold stocks are now showing up, which we can interpret either way, but you can just keep eye on it. Some gold stocks are now started to show up in the scanner, and they were being added yesterday, and we will add some more today. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick recap video. Please subscribe to our channel and like button and comment it, share it, and this is all our social media sites, so please start engaging with us and we like to see you there. So I will see you guys in another video relatively shortly. Okay, and thank you very much.